Hi, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our SS class. In the previous class, we studied the importance of Delhi, the Yamuna river's focus sunwards, and the physiographical features of Delhi, the reason for the rulers selected Delhi as a center of power. In this class, our topic is Delhi as a seat of power. Delhi as a seat of power. In this lesson, we explain the rulers and the dynasties they selected the Delhi as the seat of power. We know that the medieval period is CE 80 to 18th century, generally known as medieval period. In the 8th century, firstly the Tomar kings established the rule over Delhi. In the first time, they selected Delhi as a seat of power. Who? The Tomar kings. Tomar kings. Tomar kings. They were Rajaputs. Rajaputs were the Kshatriyas. We already studied it in the 5th standard. The Chaturvarnyas, Kshatriyas, Shudras and Shonas, Vaishyas, like that. Okay. After the Tomar kings, the Chauhan dynasty ruled Delhi. After the Tomar king, in the period of Tomar king, the Delhi known as Dilliga. The another name of Delhi is Dilliga. Dilliga. After the Tomar kings, Chauhans established the rule over Delhi. After the Tomar kings, the Chauhans ruled Delhi. Chauhan dynasty. Chauhan dynasty. The Prithviraj Chauhan was the last ruler of Chauhan dynasty. Who? The Prithviraj Chauhan was the last ruler of Chauhan dynasty. Okay. The Muhammad of Ghor defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and he established his rule over Delhi. Who? The Muhammad. The Ghor means present Afghanistan. Muhammad defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and ruled Delhi. Muhammad. Okay, firstly the Tomar kings selected Delhi as the seat of power. After them the Chauhan dynasty and after Muhammad. After the death of Muhammad, his commander-in-chief Qutbuddin Aibak established his rule over Delhi. Who? Qutbuddin Aibak. His dynasty is known as Mamluk dynasty. What? Mamluk dynasty. Or slave dynasty. The another name of Mamluk dynasty is slave dynasty. Who established the Mamluk dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the commander-in-chief of Muhammad. After these 4 dynasties take Delhi as a seat of power. After the Mamluk dynasty, the 4 dynasties also were selected Delhi as a center of power. In the Mamluk dynasty, the another name is slave dynasty. The Qutbuddin Aibak and two rulers are the famous. What they? After the Qutbuddin Aibak, the Iltutmish was ruled Delhi. Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak and Iltutmish and Balban were the important rulers of Mamluk dynasty. Okay. After this, the next dynasty, Ghalji dynasty. Ghalji dynasty. In this famous ruler was the Alauddin Ghalji. Who? Alauddin Ghalji. After the Ghalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty came. Tughlaq dynasty. Firstly the Mamluk dynasty, after Ghalji dynasty, and then Tughlaq dynasty. Tughlaq dynasty. The famous rulers were Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq were the famous ruler of Tughlaq dynasty. After this, the Sayyid dynasty. Kisargan was the famous ruler in the Sayyid dynasty. The last dynasty in the Sultanate period is Lodi dynasty. Lodi dynasty. The Lodi dynasty's important ruler was the Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi. Okay, once more I repeating for you. Firstly, the Qutbuddin Aibak established the Mamluk dynasty. Come on, follow me. Mamluk dynasty. The famous rulers were Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, come on, Balban. Okay. And the next one, Ghalji dynasty. Ghalji dynasty. Alauddin Ghalji was the famous ruler. After the Tughlaq dynasty. Tughlaq dynasty. In the Tughlaq dynasty, the famous rulers were Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. In the Sayyid dynasty, Kisargan is the famous ruler. Sayyid dynasty, come on. Sayyid dynasty. Okay. Sayyid dynasty is the Kisargan was the famous ruler. The last one, Lodi dynasty. Lodi dynasty. The Mamluk started in the CE 1206 to the Lodi dynasty ending 1526. Okay, this period is known as Sultanate period. That is Sultanate period. Come on, Sultanate period. The rulers known as Sultans. Okay, any doubt? I will repeat once more for you. Our topic is Delhi as a seat of power. In this lesson, we explain how many dynasties and rulers selected Delhi as a seat of power. Okay. Firstly, the Tomar kings selected Delhi as the center of power. At that time, the Delhi known as Dilliga. What is the name of Delhi? Another name, Dilliga. After Tomar kings, the Chauhan dynasty ruled Delhi. The famous ruler was who? Okay, Prithviraj Chauhan was the famous ruler, defeated by the Muhammad, and they established their rule in over Delhi. After the death of Muhammad, the Qutbuddin Aibak established the rule over Delhi, and this dynasty is known as Mamluk dynasty. Come on, Mamluk dynasty. Mamluk dynasty, or another name of Mamluk dynasty is slave dynasty. Slave dynasty. Okay, the famous rulers, follow me. It is difficult, the name of the rulers is difficult for you, so you should follow me. Qutbuddin Aybak. For the Mamluk dynasty, the famous rulers were Qutbuddin Aybak, Iltutmish and Balban. Okay, next dynasty, Ghalji dynasty. The famous ruler was Alauddin Ghalji. In the Tughlaq dynasty, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, come on, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. In the Sayyid dynasty, the famous ruler Kisargan. Okay, in the Lodi dynasty is the Ibrahim Lodi. Okay, what about Iltutmish more? He is the famous ruler in the Mamluk dynasty. Okay, he is expanded the empire by conquered the three places, Lahore, Multan and Bengal. What is the places? Lahore, Multan and Bengal. And he issued some coins. At that time he issued some coins. Its name Tanga and Jidal. Come on, Tanga and Jidal. Okay, did you know about Sultana Razia? She is the only woman ruler in the Sultanate period. She is the daughter of Iltutmish. Look at the flow chart. Look at the flow chart in your screen. Look. Read fast. Okay, Mamluk dynasty after. Next one, Ghalji dynasty. Come on. Okay, Tughlaq the dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. Look at the next page. Look at the next page. It is the homework for you. Complete the table given below based on the flow chart. Now we see the flow chart. You should write the flow chart in your notebook in the front page, and you maybe use the color like in your textbook. It is for attracting your notebook. Okay. In this box, the first column, dynasties of the Sultanate period. One example done for you. And the major rulers. And the second dot, what do you write there? Ghalji dynasty and the name of ruler. Okay, it's very simple. Now come on, the flow chart, the second one, complete the table. Okay, I will ask some questions. You may I explain? Okay, I explain once more. Our topic is Delhi as a seat of power. Firstly, the Tomar kings ruled Delhi and they selected Delhi as a seat of power. At that time, the name of Delhi is Dilliga. After the Tomar kings, Chauhan dynasty established their rule over Delhi. The famous ruler was who? Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated by Muhammad, and Muhammad ruled Delhi. After the death of Muhammad, the Qutbuddin Aybak established his dynasty, Mamluk dynasty. The another name of Mamluk dynasty is Slave dynasty. And then Ghalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and the Lodi dynasty. This period is in between 1262 CE 1526. This period is known as Sultanate period. These rulers are known as sultans. Okay, any doubt about the Iltutmish? Okay, Iltutmish is the famous ruler of Mamluk dynasty. He issued some coins, Tanga and Jidal, and he expanded his empire by conquered the places Lahore, Multan and Bengal. Okay, is it clear for you? Okay, I asked some questions to you. The rule over Delhi. Who selected the center's power? Okay, the Tomar kings selected the center's power, firstly. And then, okay, who was the important ruler and the last ruler in the Chauhan dynasty? Okay, Prithviraj Chauhan was the famous ruler. What is the another name of Delhi? Dilliga. Okay. And who issued the coins Tanga and Jidal? Who issued the coins? Okay, Iltutmish was issued the coins. Who was the only woman ruler in Sultanate period? Sultana Razia. Which places conquered by Iltutmish? Okay, Lahore, Multan and Bengal. I think it's clear for you. See you in the next class. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.